You weren't born with broken hormones. You were programmed to break them. Girls are taught to eat less, move more, and avoid muscle. And decades later, they're left tired, anxious, and confused about their bodies. Today, we're connecting the dots, and it's going to change how you see yourself forever. My name is Shane. I help busy women simplify nutrition and fitness so they can make better informed decisions so they can finally get real results without stress or confusion. My mission is to give women the education they should have gotten years ago so they can stop guessing and finally feel in control of their bodies. This topic is deep, it's personal, and it might finally give you the answers to what's been going on inside your body for years. If you ever felt like something was wrong with your body and no one could explain it, drop a comment below. We start the same. As kids, boys and girls are practically the same. Same energy, same body fat, and same muscle mass. And then puberty hits, and testosterone transforms the boys, while estrogen and progesterone take over the girls. Boys are told to be strong, lift weights, eat more, get faster, stronger, bigger. Girls are told the opposite. Be quiet, be pretty, don't eat too much, don't get bulky. And just like that, the foundation for hormone dysfunction is laid. Girls are told, don't lift heavy, do cardio to burn calories, eat less, salads are good, carbs are bad. This programming becomes a lifestyle that continues into adulthood. Women start chasing thin instead of strong, nourished, and healthy. The result? Undereating, overtraining, cardio hit, never resting, undersleeping, chronic stress. This combination is a disaster for estrogen, progesterone, thyroid, and cortisol balance. Here's the wild part. In third world countries, malnourishment is due to lack of access. In modern Western society, women often choose to undereat to fit in, to look thin, to chase unrealistic images. Women are skipping meals, avoiding carbs, fearing fat, all while working full-time jobs, managing kids, and pushing through stress. This creates low estrogen, cortisol dominance, thyroid suppression, missing or painful periods, and adrenal burnout. By the time many women reach their late 30s, early 40s, their hormones have been in survival mode for decades. What happens? Estrogen starts dropping rapidly, progesterone is barely hanging on, periods become irregular, mood swings increase, weight gain around the midsection, sleep becomes a nightmare. These are not normal aging signs. They're symptoms of decades of depletion. The average woman starts losing muscle in their 30s, and without resistance training, that loss accelerates. Here's the truth. Muscle supports hormonal health. Muscle regulates blood sugar and metabolism. Muscle helps keep estrogen stable during aging. Muscle protects against osteoporosis and sarcopenia. But instead of being taught this, women are taught, don't lift too heavy or you'll look bulky. And so the cycle continues. Less muscle, more fatigue, faster aging. If you've been doing everything right but feel worse, losing energy despite eating less, gaining weight even when you're exercising more, struggling with periods, bloating, mood, and sleep, it's not a lack of willpower. It's not your age. It's not bad luck. It's a result of a broken system that taught women to ignore their bodies instead of fuel them. Does any of this sound like your story? Drop a heart emoji in the comments below. Have you ever been told to eat less and do more cardio? Comment below. And I have an important question. How old were you when you were first heard you needed to watch what you eat? You weren't born to be weak, tired, or confused. You were born to be strong, powerful, and in tune with your body. It's time to rewrite the story, and it starts by nourishing, lifting, and finally listening to your body's real needs. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, be sure to share it with someone who might need to hear this message. Remember, prioritizing yourself is a choice you'll never regret. I'll see you next time.